how do you deal with those urgent requests? Why do you find it difficult to say no? So the first thing you've got to do once you've actually understood your own priorities, put them in your diary, is look at why you're reluctant to say no. And ask yourself, what's the worst can happen? What am I fearing that's going to happen? When you actually say no in a respectful way, or most often not yet, what happens is that very rarely someone says, no, you have to do it. And so just be aware of that one. You might get someone thinking, do you take your career seriously? Are you really wanting to be a good lawyer? If you say no respectfully and set your boundaries, people respect you for it, not the other way around. And another way of using that is, if you are that people pleaser, is to go, look, how much I hate saying no to people. I really want to get this done, but in this instance, people will really understand how important it is.